July 22nd, 2025, U.S. stock futures slip ahead of big tech earnings and trade talks. Good morning. Today is July 22nd, 2025. U.S. stock futures open slightly lower as investors brace for a wave of mega cap earnings and monitor stalled trade negotiations with the EU and India, the anchor reported informatively. After record highs in the S&P 500 and NASDAQ yesterday, driven by gains in Alphabet and Tesla, today's focus shifts to major Wednesday reports from the Magnificent Seven, alongside earnings from RTX, Lockheed Martin, Coca-Cola, and Philip Morris. Futures on the S&P 500 and NASDAQ 100 dipped about 0.1%, while Dow futures held flat as of 5:50 a.m. ET. Behind the scenes, Treasury Secretary Scott Bessent played down pressure to finalize a U.S.-EU trade deal before President Trump's self-imposed August 1st deadline, even as both sides haggle over tariffs on autos, steel, and digital services levies. India talks remain similarly deadlocked, leaving markets to weigh whether a compromise can be reached or if tariffs will bite deeper into corporate margins. Analysts project roughly 6.7% Q2 profit growth for S&P 500 companies, led by big tech. While Federal Reserve Chair Jerome Powell's remarks later today could sway rate cut expectations, with the Fed under fire from the White House, every word will be parsed for hints on monetary policy's next move. We're in a classic good news, bad news cycle. Strong earnings offset by trade uncertainty, the market strategist said thoughtfully. He added that it's a balancing act, one that could tip markets either way by midday.